Hello, hello, hello. Very nice to see you. It is, as always. We're collaborating again. Oh, you want the door closing? So he's like, do that. I don't know why I didn't close the door, to be fair. But yes, we're collaborating again with my lovely gearbest.com. We are. I've always wanted one of these. I'm not showing what they are yet because I haven't said what it is. Yes, I've always wanted one of these. Who wouldn't want to have a shower in a rainbow? Put your hands up if you don't want to have a shower in different colours. Because I do. I'm a rainbow and unicorn kind of person. Oh yes. So I went to my lovely gearbest.com and I googled it. Well, I didn't Google it. I searched it on gearbest.com. Colour changing rainbow head. Yes. So I got an LED shower. I did. And what it does is it changes to green, blue and red. So it's going to look awesome. You're either going to look like you're in mould, ice or blood. But yeah, it's going to look awesome. It really is. I can't wait. I really can't. But yeah, before I start telling you what it's about, all the codes and the coupons are down below. Now, I think there is a coupon with my name for this one for you to get a discount. So go and check those out down below. Check out gearbest.com, which is where I got it from. Yes. So it's an LED shower. We have got, it says here, the multiple colour jump change one. Because there's 3 different ones. So I'll tell you the one that we've got. We've got the multiple colour jump change, which is an LED lighting colour, multiple colours, gradual change product feature. When water flows down, the LED will light instantly and automatically. It is bright enough so that there is no need for other lighting fixtures. So you can turn your light off and be lit up like a Christmas tree. The LED colour will change gradually and automatically. The change of LED colour will not be subject to the temperature of the water. So you could have that ice cold and it won't change colour. You could have it as red hot as the Sahara Desert and it won't change colour, because the one that would change colour because of the temperature is the RGB colour temperature detectable. We haven't got that one. We've got the jump change one, because you could get a single colour which only does either white, green, red, blue, yellow or purple. Only one colour for that one. Or we could have got the RGB colour temperature detectable. But we didn't get either of them. We got the jump change one, which gradually changes the colour throughout your shower, which I think is better, to be fair. I do. So yes, it says it's ultra quiet, no batteries, and the water flow powered generator. And it's hydropower. So yes, I'm going to crack it open now. I am. Comes in a cool box as well, depicting what it is inside. That's it. That's your lot. So you get a little washer. Is that a washer? I presume that's a washer. And you get your shower head. So you've got your hydropower symbol there, and all your little nozzle bits there. That screws onto your shower. And hopefully when you turn it on, it changes colour. So how does that bit work? That goes on there, does it? Before you screw it on. Right. Because I'm going to go and try it out. And I was wondering if you wanted to come with me to try it out. And then to test out the colours. Shall we go and have a look? So I'm going to have a look. I am. I am. Into my bathroom I go. I can't reach the shower, so I'm getting in. I got my lovely floor mat down, so we're fine. Bring that down, shall we? Right, put that on there a second, because I've got to take the other one off first. So you unscrew it there, yes? Okay, so there's a washer in there. That one there. So does that washer come out? Leave it in. Don't bother putting that one in. Okay. So we've got a spare washer. Are you sure? Because that might have something to do with the lighting. Okay. So we're going to leave the other washer in. Ooh, it fits. So it looks like it's universal. If it fits mine, then it fits. So there we have it. That's quite big. Compared to our usual size. Shall I turn the water on now? Which one do you think got sprayed water at you? Well, compared, that's quite big. Right, we are going to test it out now. We are. Aim it down a bit. I think it's on the right temperature. I've got bare feet, so my feet, doesn't matter if my feet get wet. Let's just let the water get a bit warm. Right. Oh, look at the lights! Oh, that is awesome! It's flashing lights! Oh, yay! Oh, that is really flashing. Can you change the flashing on it, please? So I go and check. You can't change the flashing. Well, that's not going to be any good for me. That is really cool though, I like that. I know some little people who like a disco show in the shower. I do. It's a shame you can't change the flashing. I thought it was just going to be a stagnant light. I didn't realise it was going to be flashing lights. Like so. And you can't change it anyway. Can you turn the light off and we'll have a look? Oh, that's hot on my feet. Okay, the more I turn that up, the power, the flashier the lights go. I think. Is always just me. That's different to what it says on the box though. It says it's just going to be one light and then gradually change into the next light. That's a disco. All in one go. Isn't it, really? Is it me or is it noisy? It is. It's cool though. To have a disco in your own shower. I do like it. Turn the lights up again. Have another look. Yeah, so you're having a disco in the shower. Okay, turn the lights back on. Yeah. Hasn't slowed down the flashing, but the noise has gone now that I've turned it right up the temperature. If I turn it down, the temperature, you hear that noise? Like a fan. And that's not my fan. So I'm not sure why that is. No idea. That is pretty awesome though. I like it. I do like that. Yes. So like I said, all the codes and the links to gearbest.com and the coupon to get it a little bit cheaper using my name is all down below in the box. So go check out gearbest.com for me. My Patreon, Twitter and Instagram links will all be down the bottom as well. Like the video for me, subscribe to my beautiful channels, go check out gearbest.com. And follow the links to my sites at Adelesexyuk. Goodbye for now, everybody. I'm going to have a party.